Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video I'm going to review about a beautiful eyeshadow palette that I just came across. So I'm a newbie into makeup. I don't want to invest on something which is very pricey, so I was looking for some eyeshadow palette which have lots of colors, which have glitters and matte and everything like that in all different shades, but at a very less price, which means should be less than 1000. And finally I came across something and I'm just loving it. So if you want to stay and see the entire video, see the entire swatches of all the colors that are there in this palette, then keep watching. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm talking about today in this video is this one by SFR Color, and SFR Color have this eyeshadow palette which is named as Hated with Love. It's a pressed pigment palette and it has so many colors. I'm just going to show you that now. Ta-da! So this palette have these many colors, and trust me, the colors are of good payoff. They give out a lot of shade and it's highly pigmented and I'm literally loving it. And even the glitters, they don't fall off easily and it's very easy to apply. Like you just have to take it with your hand, you just need to pat it on top of your eyelids. So I have done this makeup look on my Instagram page, so if you want you can go and check out that. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. Meanwhile, I'll show you about this palette now, that how many colors are there, how many glitters are there, and so other things. So this palette comes with 63 colors, of which there are many matte colors and there are many glittery colors, and there are something which have like heavy glitter on it, so you can use it on top of your eyelids and it looks really good. You don't need to do a lot of makeup, just little bit of glitter on top and then you are just good to go. So I'm going to show you each and every color now, so let's just quickly start it. Before that, there is also a mirror which is provided on top. It's a very big flat mirror and it's very easy to apply your makeup or anything using that. So I'm basically applying my entire makeup looking at that mirror, and it becomes very easy. And talking about the packaging, it comes like this basic palette type and it looks really cute in this pastel green color. And this one have at the back, they have given the details of all the colors that are there, and they have given the details about the ingredients that are included in the eyeshadow, that are included in the glitter, where it is made, and so many other stuffs. So this one have a shelf life of 24 months, which means it can be used for 24 months, that is 2 years. And I think I'm going to finish it up before that because I am just too excited about this palette. So now let's just quickly get into the swatches. So here I have swatched some of the colors because there are 63 colors, and naturally if I'm going to put everything on my hand you will not be able to understand, but kind of I have swatched all the different kinds of colors, and these are the matte ones which I told you, which are just wow. Look at this red. I have never got this kind of shade in any other palette, and this one is known as Hey Babe and it's really babe to me. And these are the glitter eyeshadows, the soft glitter eyeshadows, and these are really good. And as I told you, just a swatch with your finger on your eyelids is more than enough to give a beautiful color to this. And these are the heavy glitters which are available, and these are some of the heavy glitters. There are other colors also which I have not swatched, and you can see over here that these colors are also very highly pigmented and they are very easy to use, and they look just wow. Hope this video was very helpful, and I'm sure you're going to love this palette. So if you're going to buy it, I'm going to leave the link below in the description box. You can go and check it out. It's definitely a very affordable eyeshadow palette. It can be used by beginners as well as somebody who's very good with makeup, because it have everything that you need. And as I told you, the color, the payoff, the pigment, everything is just wow. So you can just go for this one without any doubts. So if you're new to this channel, go and subscribe my channel now, give it a like, and tell me what are the kind of video that you want to see, what are the kind of products that you want me to review, and I'll be surely doing it very soon. I also have a very happening page over Instagram where I do a lot of reels and a lot of makeup videos. So if you have not followed me over there, you can go check out the link in the description box. You can go follow me over there as well. Until next video, with lots of love, this is Vidya. Bye.